there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today I am on camera to announce some super fun brand new news that I've been dying. I've been like chomping at the bit waiting to share this news with you guys. So we have 3 super cool, awesome things happening in December that I wanted to share with you. So the first thing is our monthly contest. I have a monthly contest every month for my Patreon members, but for the month of December, I wanted it to be kind of like over the top and say thank you to everybody for their support. I have a feeling this is going to be the biggest contest that we've had yet. It is spun around snowmen or snowman. So they are going to be submitting all of their snowman paintings. And what I've done is I'm doubling the prize. So the prize, cash prize, is going to be $2,000. So we've increased the pot, doubling it, and just a thank you for everybody who supports us all year long. And hopefully this will bring a lot of smiles. We're going to be announcing the winner on Christmas Eve. So I can't wait. I can't wait for all the entries to come in. So that's big news number 1. Big news number 2 is a long-awaited, which I've been waiting for a super long time, which is a new brush line. So I have currently my standard brush line, which we've got 17 different brushes. These are very versatile for all kinds of things. I've got my flat bristles and I love my rounds. There's some bright brushes in here. There's a fan brush. So this is my standard brush set that I've had all along, or for a couple years now. You can get all these brushes for under 60 bucks, so they're affordable too, durable, all the good things that come along with it. So that's the standard line that we still have, and again, is not going anywhere because I love these brushes, so I use them in everything. But the big news is the new brush line. So this is called the Master Brush Line. So these brushes here are, I called it the Master Line because I feel as we continue down our painting road, we learn certain techniques with our standard brushes and our standard materials and tools. But there comes a point in time where we want to master certain techniques. So these brushes in this line are intended to do just that. They're intended to help you master blending. We've got a long liner. I've got 2, well, they still have the little, protectors on them. I've got some very durable shaders. I have these blenders, which I am in love with. They are a variety of different natural bristle blend to create this super sturdy short bristle that is durable. It's going to last a long time, and it's excellent for shading and blending and all that good stuff. I have a rake brush, which some people call a grainer brush. This is great for hair and feathers and grass and all kinds of good stuff. And then I have a mop brush, which is a magic tool when it comes to blending acrylic paint into nice, smooth, buttery blends. So these are part of the new line, which is the Master Line. So excited about these. If you're interested in looking at them, they're at my website, which is michellethepainter.com. So that's news number 2. News number 3 is gonna be this. Join me for a live art game night. So we're going to be starting up this fun, super exciting game night once a month or more. Who knows? This will be our first, so we'll see how it goes. It's available for all of our Patreon members. And in this game night, it's going to be live on Zoom, so we get to interact with one another. There's going to be $1,000 worth of cash for the prizes, which is very exciting. There's going to be trivia. We're going to have scavenger hunts. We're going to have Pictionary. There's just all kinds of these fun games that we traditionally play that we are putting an artsy spin on. So if you're interested in art and everything that it comes with, now you get to incorporate it with your game nights as well. We're going to have word scrambles. There's going to be a who painted it kind of game. So and of course we're going to have additional games, and we're going to be switching them up and adding new ones, and just, you know, having fun with whatever kind of fun family style game night activities that we can spin around art. So if you're interested in how to participate or hopefully coming and watching, we are going to record it, but if you'd like to be a participant in the live session of it, I have all of that information as well as more information about the Patreon membership program down below in the video description. So I hope you join me.